It should be an easier way to get past all this. And all the cops seem so relaxed and everything. So always something, always. I'm going in, just trying to get more space. Always mind your lines. Yeah, we're quite far from there. Somebody hit that before. Morning guys, as you can see, got the truck. Really early in the morning and I'm trying to strap all my loads. I got these ones which are from Direct Food, 4 tons, and it is a pallet. So I'm just gonna calculate them now and see how much they weigh, each one of them. So in here I got 4 tons. So what I do is I put the 4 tons, 4,000 divided by, is 8 of 8, so it's 8 pallets, and it's 500 each. So that means I need a strap. That means I need a strap to go over them, like a ratchet strap or something like that, whatever you want to call it. I cannot use the Tonne because they anything 450 kilos, you need to use ratchet straps. So I'm gonna throw my ratchets now. I'm gonna start doing it so I can get on my way. I've done everything else, inspections and everything, so I'm gonna do this and get on my way. Let's do it. They just left it over there so I cannot get my hook done, so I'm gonna have to put them underneath. Nice. Finish off the hooks and be ready to get on with our day. Close this. And let's get on with our day now. So my man here just got a new truck, a 2023 man. Look at that, brand new, out of the packet. Are you happy with it? No. Yes you are, yes you are. It's a really nice truck, all brand new, new tires. H&M just got it wrapped up and everything. Navigation system as well. You got everything in here. It looks like the old one. Woo! My man's got a fridge, boys. Brand new. You got more space in here. Ooh, look at that. That's a pen there, that's mine now. I need a pen. It's alright this.
No microwave.
No microwave for you. Well, I'll let you get on with that, man. Ooh, sounds nice as well. Look at that. It's gonna be a pretty nice day. I'm going to Great London again. So they're having a thing to send me to London now. Not now, right now, this time. But I don't mind. Let's get out of here quick as we can. And guess what? I'm back in London again. Probably most of you know this place, because I really don't. One thing is for sure is that they didn't create London for truckers. That's 100%. Because the roads are too small, it's so hard to navigate as well, and too many traffic lights. Right now I'm gonna do 9 miles and it's gonna take me an hour to do 9 miles. It's absolutely unreal. Honestly, can't go absolutely nowhere in this place. Everywhere where I go, it's just signs saying no 18 tons or more or less. It's just a nightmare, this place. It's an absolutely nightmare. Oh, London, they said. When I got told on Monday when I got told on Friday I was coming to London, I said like, can I get something else? Can you give it to someone else? Because it's not my cup of tea. London ain't my cup of tea. Oh my God. Oh my God. Honestly, I'm getting stressed out, man. I couldn't be any deeper in London, any deeper. I'm as far as it goes. Woo! Let me see how am I gonna take this roundabout, because I got traffic there and I'm going literally around. Oh, the sun nav start going crazy already. Oh no, 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 no. I have never seen anything like it, and I am taking 2 lanes because otherwise I'm gonna be stuck somewhere. It's everything in here. Cyclists, mopeds, cars, buses, everything. Is there anything that they don't have in here? They just stress people out more and more. Wow. And all the cops seem so relaxed and everything. Woo! I'm gonna see the glory when I come out this roundabout. All right, truckers, any advice for next time when I come down here? Give me a time, give me something. I need an advice for when I come down to London again, because it should be an easier way to get past all this. It should be an easier way. I bet you my fellow trucker just in front of me is going through the same nightmare as I am just going through. We did get out that little bit there, but on the other side of the bridge it just gets even worse. It's red, like routes left and right, and the streets are red on the Google Maps as well, so we're gonna take a while to get there. All right, we're going over the bridge now. It's a 20-mile-an-hour bridge as well. Whoa. At least we get it now. At least we get it now. I'm not a fan of London, so I better get in this one, in the middle lane. Is it gonna be green? It's gonna be green. Yes, it is. Trying to get out of there as quick as. Oh, we're making progress. We're making progress. We're nearly there now. 3 miles to go. Woo-hoo! Cannot believe it took me 2 hours to do around 9 miles. So I can't believe it took me that long just to do 9 miles. 2 hours and a bit. I'm that excited just to arrive to this place. It's only 800 meters. I should be there. Get a tip and get out of here the easiest way is possible. The easiest. All right, here we are. This is the one. Let me check the area before I go in. Yeah, I think I can go in straight. It's always something. Always can't be straightforward. Never. Oh, God's sake. Right at the back. Not gonna blow one of my tires, not a chance. Gonna have to take it a little bit wider and get the axles away from that thing, whatever it is. Actually, more than enough room. Come on, pal.
He's coming in or going out?
I'm going in, he's trying to get more space. There you go, look at how good. Let me see if I can turn around here, and so that will give us a position, nice position to get out of here straight away. But I think it's doable, this, you know. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, more than enough space around there. Okay. Hold on. Oof. You're going underneath. I don't want them to go underneath. Don't want them to break in them. So always mind your lines. There you go. Back out should be dead easy. Not gonna get caught. Yeah, they should try to bring it back up. Dead easy. There you go. Always looking after the truck. If you look after it, look after you. All right. Nice and secure, because we don't want anything to break, obviously. Let's get this fuse done. That's the last pallet now, picking the pump truck in, ready to go. So yours, yep, good. All right, all done. That was quite quick. Gonna POD this, gonna get in the way, get out of here the easiest and the quickest way possible, so I don't, when I get out of here, I just won't look back. I won't even look at my mirrors, oh, my cameras, whatever you want to call it. I'm just trying to look what's my easy option to get out of London. The truck side nav gives me a better option and a better visibility of the roads. It tells me which ones are which. So as soon as I get out of here, so I go on the A202 and then get on the A2. And as soon as I get on the A2, that A road is big, so get on the N25 and then get over the bridge. And then I should be sound to get out. As soon as I get out the brown bits, I'm outside, so I should be sweet. All right, time to go. Yeah, we're quite far from there. Somebody hit that before. Oh, yeah, I just missed the door by a bit. Thank you.